also beautiful today, but should have been in 1940s, but still.
Yeah.
Today on the 14th of August 2023 in Sweden, the capacity is 4 persons to 12 persons. Look at these beautiful drawings here. This dates back to 1911. The elevators were in 1954, so is it 2 here or?
Yeah, 2 elevators. Siis without elevator.
Yeah. Siinä on Topeliuksenkatu PS-gatan 9. Is this staircase B or?
A, I think.
So, yeah, then the staircase B later.
Yeah.
Here in the Helsinki Sports Hall was one in Finland. Look at that beautiful entrance hall. I would like to show you one more thing. The 100 years ago, so person living here. Right at the First World War.
Yeah.
Too bad that light has been changed. Should have been the original one.
Yeah.
But still, it's still got 3 lights.
Yeah.
6 watch here. It's turning 70 years old in next year, 2024, and it's inverse H5861. And it's Swedish fitting these instructions to close the doors and the gate. It should be inspected this year, 2023, but it's delayed from April.
Yeah. These beat bike devices that maintained by Kone. Yeah, same.
Beautiful light
Yeah.
colors.
I was going to press this, but it's not the light switch.
No, it's the doorbell.
Yeah.
The light switch is the bigger button.
Yeah.
But it's easily mistaken. It's just instructions to close the doors without any sounds or as quietly as possible.
Yeah.
Without sounds, yeah. And this is the third light.
Yeah.
Thank you very much for watching. Oh, sorry. also beautiful too.
Yeah. That's